Troopers from the Michigan State Police Gladstone Post were sent to check on a horse in the roadway in Maple Ridge Township when they discovered a puppy mill. According to Susan Gartland, director of Delta Animal Shelter, volunteers and staff of the shelter assisted police in retrieving the 134 dogs from their location.
They were in deplorable conditions. It was heartbreaking, terrible. It was unsanitary. They were covered in feces. They were matted. They had no food, no water. It was just gross. Almost all the females that we have here in-house either have babies, are pregnant, or it looks like they recently weaned puppies that were most probably sold.
As of today, all the dogs had been given vaccinations, deworming, and flea treatments. They also began the bathing and grooming process this evening. Gartland says they are averaging the cost per dog to be between $300 and $400.
The biggest way to help us right now is financial donations. This is overwhelming, and the money used goes right towards getting them medically cleared. It will go towards spay and neutering them all. They will never breed again. They will never breed again, and that money will help ensure that.
Gartland urges people to do their research if they are buying a dog from a breeder.
This is classic backyard breeding. There is no way that they were selling these puppies from where mom was kept. If you are not seeing mom and dad firsthand, that should be a red flag that it is not a reputable breeder.
The Delta County Prosecutor's Office is looking into charges, and Gartland says the animals are not going to be adoptable for some time yet. Melissa Venix, Local 3 News.